Welcome to a brand new episode of The Angie Show. Today we're going to be talking about holiday gift ideas. With the holiday season coming up or already here, I want to show you some beautiful, elegant, and classy pieces that you can gift to your friends and family this season. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the description below because I have selected beautiful inspired pieces from Amazon at an affordable price that you can check out and shop around, have fun. With the holiday season coming up, I know gifts are a big deal here in the US, so you want to make sure you come up with some thoughtful and beautiful gift ideas for your friends and family. I think this is the time to show the ones around you that you really care with a beautiful, thoughtful gift. I like to emphasize thoughtfulness and intention in the gift because it's much more than just giving out a candle or a piece of something. What makes things so much easier when gift giving is knowing the person you're buying the gift for. So I truly recommend that right now, right before you shop for the gifts, make sure you're listening to the people around you. Make sure that you practice listening, because when you listen, you really get to know the person. You really get to know what they're lacking, what they need, and what really will make them happy. So that way you will know what to gift them. So when it comes to gifts, we have many different types of and variety of gifts. You have gifts in the section of home, you have gifts in the section of beauty, you have gifts in the section of decoration, or something that the person might specifically need for work, for the commute, or etc. The easiest gift, something you don't have to think about too much, it will be the gift cards. So you can gift out gift cards, but gift cards are not very thoughtful unless, of course, the person that you're gifting to is receiving a gift that they really wanted. So I recommend, if you're going to do a gift, try to do it for a store that person really likes, or try to do it for a restaurant. I know they have restaurant gift cards, or you can do it for a bag store, an accessory store. Don't just go to the pharmacy and pick up a Starbucks, unless they really like Starbucks, because I think Starbucks gift cards are nice as well. But don't just pick up a random gift card from the convenience store. I think a really well thought out gift card will be a lot more thoughtful and meaningful when it comes to giving. Another gift idea that you can gift your friends, family, or your partner will be advent calendars. So lately, advent calendars have been trending a lot. I know a lot of stores that have advent calendars. These are just calendars that you open every day of the year. However, with the advent calendar, is tricky because you have to give it early, or if you're gonna give it at the end. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter if you give it at the end, because what matters is that they're gonna get their gift. They should do the advent calendar in December or in January and get a gift every single day. But I think advent calendars are really cute because they each pack a piece of joy, a piece of beautiful things and emotions. So if you're down for an advent calendar, I think that's a great idea. They can run pretty pricey, but you can also create your own advent calendar as well. Or you can create an advent calendar with goodies, with snacks and things like that, like popcorns or chocolates. So in every day that they open up, there's like a piece of chocolate, a piece of goodie. That'll be nice as well. So if the person that you're going to be gifting to, they're really into working out and they're into their physical body, I think getting them gifts like such as a Theragun, so a massager, or even a massage itself. You can give that like a gift card to a spa, a gift card to a massage, as well as a gift card to their favorite workout store, so to Alo, to Lululemon, or something like that, where they can shop. A gift card to the shoe store, so they could get maybe sneakers if they need. So for somebody who works out a lot, I think a gift card specifically, but with the intention that you know what they're into, that you listen to them, that you notice them, and that you've seen them and they feel heard. So in order to support that person's journey on working out, on losing weight, whatever it is. So I think like a massage, like a massage machine, or a massage itself, or a spa day, or a gift card to an athletic clothing store would be a great idea as well. Accessories as well are great gifts. So for women, if you're gonna do maybe some jewelry or bags, or if it's a gift for a man, leather belts make a great gift for men as well, and for women as well. I think it's a great high quality leather belt you can gift as well. If it's a male that you're gonna be gifting to, a tie will also make a great gift, or just so those pins that they put on the tie, or the pins that they put under this suit. I think that's a great gift for men, and it makes them remember you every time they wear it. It's very thoughtful. Something I think is incredibly overrated and that I absolutely love receiving as a gift is a throw blanket. I think throw blankets, especially if you live where it's cold in the northern parts, I think throw blankets make amazing gifts, and they're so awesome. I have received throw blankets in the past and I use them all the time, and it's just so nice because every time I wear my throw blanket I think about the person who gifted me the throw blanket. I compare which throw blanket is better, but I absolutely love a throw blanket, so don't be afraid to gift a throw blanket. If the person that you're gifting is really special and you really want to put in some time and effort into their gift, I think a gorgeous basket makes an amazing gift. You can do this for birthday, but you can also do this for Christmas for like your parents or for a loved one. There's a gorgeous gift. If they like cooking, you could put all their favorite cooking stuff. So, or if they like chocolate or whatever they like, I think a basket would be amazing. You could put hot chocolate in a basket with some mugs and a notebook if that person likes to journal and hot chocolate. So maybe like to recreate their favorite activity. I think that's a great idea. A nice, gorgeous basket. Things that make great gifts as well are home decors. Things that you can use for home decor, but that also have a purpose, such as a board game. So a chess game, people love to put chess games out for decoration. They like to decorate it really nice, but also a chess board, you could play some chess. It's also great. And I know a lot of chess tables and chess miniatures, they come in different decorations, so they make great decor. Some cars as well, I think makes great decor. So card games, things that they can use. If that person likes to host, they can definitely use some board games, or if they love to decor, I think that will make a great decoration as well. And something else that you can gift as a gift, if the person likes to, let's say, cook or clean or has a hobby, you can give them something that's going to help them towards their hobby. For example, if they like to cook, you can give them some cooking utensils, or maybe some olive oil, or maybe some spices. So you can make a small basket, or just pick up a couple of cute bottles of olive oil, high quality olive oil. I think that makes a great gift. Or if that person loves plants, you can give them a gift around plants and things like that. I think that makes a great gift as well. So it's really important to listen to the person and to know who you're giving gifts to. I know a lot of people who host around the holidays, they always like to have extra side gifts. So things that you can have as extra side gifts, my number one thing is candles and gift cards. So let's say you're hosting a holiday party and you have, a person that you didn't think was going to come in. I know I've had that before. I've been that person before. And there's always like that person always has that extra gift, always prepare with like a little gift there. So that's a great idea. I know some people do beauty products, but I wouldn't recommend giving people beauty products, because when it comes to beauty products, everybody knows what they want. So if you want to gift somebody beauty products, better give them a gift card to Sephora or to Ulta or to the beauty store of their choosing, so that you have at least some classy and really thoughtful gifts. Remember to listen to the person, to think deeply about the person you're gifting to. And when in doubt, candles or gift cards. See ya.